Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use an Excel function to find the weighted average outcome of a data set. Now look at this sheet. There are 20 students and each of them have done 3 different exams, but each of the exam carries a 3 different weightage levels. So now if you want to find the final marks, you need to multiply this 85 into 50, 71 into 35, 59 into 15. But without doing that, you can easily use an Excel formula to get the weighted average marks. So here's how you can do that. Press equal, then type sum product, then open a bracket, then highlight these weightage levels, then make sure you include dollar marks to fix your row and column, then press a comma here, then highlight these marks, then close the bracket, then press enter. Now double click, you can get the final marks. So make use of this formula when you are required to find a weighted average outcome of a data set. Bye. Thank you.